Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and as promised, a sneak peek of the recipe box holder. Look at how adorable this is. So we've got, as you can see, some acetate windows, top, front, and bottom, so we can really see what's inside. But then we have these beautiful, beautiful handles here. And my friends, it's just such a fun project. You're really gonna enjoy making this one. I couldn't help myself and put it in the kitchen just so you can see it in action. Look at that, let me step away so you can see it. How adorable is this? So this is sneaky peek number 2. I'm gonna have sneak peek number 3 tomorrow because yes, my friends, there will be a mini album, whether you choose to use photos or more recipes for this that will be housed right inside that small compartment there. And it's just going to be adorable. If you want a kit, these are available in my shop. Look at it from the top, how fabulous. Look at that. And you get everything you need to make the project. You will also, with that purchase, a ticket to the 3-day crop at home event is included, the digital collection, as well as the printed collection, all sorts of fun things. So there's your sneaky peek. I hope you love it and pick up your kit today. The crop at home event is in December, so you have plenty of time before the event. And guys, let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it because I just love it. Bye-bye.